So this new year 2025 is starting with a great scientific event. It's a science exhibition at Boisar, and beautiful arrangements are made here by Seva Sayog people, by our Knowledge on Wheel, which goes regularly in about 20 schools in Boisar area, and all the teachers and our coordinators have done excellent arrangements for displaying scientific experiments of the students, made by the students and for the students. So the inauguration will happen in a short while, and we are all excited to see the experiments made by the school students. Seem to be very interested, and they will be explaining to all the students what they have done and what are the scientific principles behind it. Thank you.